It's Friday, about 10 in the morning. I already got the truck stuck. Slid off that way. Tried climbing this hill 4 or 5 times and just can't make it. So I'm over here with this, trying to scratch the ground a little bit to get some of this muck off of it. See if I can help my situation any. But I just quit while I was ahead. Just so the hell with it, called for help. Now I'm trying to work on it to, you know, get this up and going. Wait for someone to give me a hand. Some kind of morning. Well, I got the end stuck pretty good. Slimy mess in here. I think what I'm gonna do is just get my drives over to the pile and I'll drag the trailer over there with the excavator and load it. Oh, that's not gonna work like that. while just constantly getting stuck. Got stuck over here, trying to even get to here. Then I slid over to here, but I'm next to the excavator, so I'm good now. Now I'm gonna load it and then see if I can get myself back out. But when you look at the tires here, just one big old sticky, muddy mess. So we'll load it. Oh, look how sloppy this is. We'll see if I get out. Aw. Got it. Well, I got the truck serviced. Now I'm waiting in the line of cars here. Heading back over the office. I'll fix the taillight on my pickup truck, and that'll probably be it for the day. It's gonna rain a lot next week, so might be a little bit of downtime there. We'll just have to see. It's what, I think 8 o'clock, 8:30 Friday night. Ashley and I, you can't really see her that great, metal detecting. We did pretty good. We didn't get anything real valuable, but got a fair bit of change here. That was from the other day. This 2014, that was from today. Pull tabs, coins. She held most of it here. Whole bunch of coins. It's pretty modern, it looks like. 2000. Yeah, it's 2000. That was from the other day. Okay. Not bad. Buck or two and change. Something like that. A whole bunch of pull tabs. So we're gonna make a quick short for the channel and then head home. Ashley's dying to head home. She's got to pee. See you guys tomorrow.